d'accord.
No, d'accord, no day.
Okay.
Na me I go start am.
Na me I go start am.
Yes, start am.
Some woman throw away her baby for aqua.
Hey.
C'est comme ça qu'on dit d'abord.
Ah, c'est comme ça qu'on dit d'abord na pidgin, maman. Na pidgin dad. It's na so comme ça qu'on dit d'abord. I throw the caviar. I don't drink caviar. I don't chop caviar. Countryman, countrywoman. That guy on pidgin on na extraordinary international pidgin that. Wetin happen for here na say wetin. The woman, so nangaboko dey we ishiro for corner that dirty place. E just dey for that morning time. You see the woman car with BB motor 4x4, 4-wheel drive. Shurrup, chop, e break. He enter back for back seat for motor. He move something. He go for dustbin. He throw am for inside. Then Nangaboko talk say, I will see that woman come out from big motor. He throw that thing for dustbin. It for he hate. He remember say that's a very important item where the woman throw am. So me go rush. He see am. He take am. He chop him with one time. Countryman, countrywoman. Nangaboko go cha for he hate. It say that's a very important thing where that woman throw away. Sometimes it don't expire before he go use am. Now we fall for the na pikin. Young, fine, clean pikin. Where the job born now. Na nana burning. That's kind of nana so burning.com. The woman don't born, blood is still for that pikin skin. Now me say they say born na E1. It don't got throw that pikin. It don't go in. Now wait if he make up. Mommy born pikin. He get money. He get BB moto. He drive the motor, car for dustbin, car throw the pikin, begin run. Now the question that way, or we with the answer.
Okay, another story from Vogdi for Mefwa Famba. Some family kill one repe.
Yeah, some family kill one repe. Hey, you know that pidgin. Some family, yeah, some family kill one repe. Voila, that family where it kill one repe. Now for that side from Vondi, for Mufu and Famba. Now for Central Region for Cameroon. This family, what are they query paraba land for go do it with the land? Chawambo Okiai. They causing the query. In the talk with the cousin, they start the talk paraba. They talk. The other cousin vex. He go to his brother them. He talk with mommy them. They come. They can't take the other cousin. They beat them. Kill him. If you look ahead, they broke his head, chakara nakam. That means they naki. If that kind of way people they enter your skin, you want the fair say when no they nakam, broke his bone for his skin, and then they take this scandal, what they call say lat for French. They put him, they tie his hand, tie his foot for they carry him. Like they say, na some big way they kill him. They go put him on some place for go find petrol for burn him. Whether what happen, they still no pass the way they want pass. They run. Mommy and pikin run, and then they don't catch one. As I talk now, so the other one them they don't chop them. They don't know play where they did. I hope say police go make investigation from Vogundi. May they find that people them saute. They put their hand for them. They catch them. May they can't talk. What it happen? With the key man for Sika Palaba argument for land for farm. If you go look at Senna, some farm when they give them even 30,000 for 1 year. Now when they go keep it man for Sika farm Palaba. Hey, tato chukura pata. Well, yeah, the kind of thing so it pass. Come and see America Wanda. Do you know America Wanda? Human being the wicked. Man feel wicked so good to that extent. Hey, massa. My own don't finish for ya.